controversies and controversies everywhere. In Bollywood, Hollywood, science, politics, sports, and even art has joined this race. Let's take a look at what buzz art has created in this world of controversies. Here are the top 5 most controversial paintings in art history. On number 5, we have the most celebrated Caravaggio's painting, The Death of the Virgin.
The church was irritated as soon as they saw this painting. Firstly, because Caravaggio used a well-known prostitute of those times, whose name was Mary, as the model of this painting. Secondly, Mary is considered as a holy figure by many, and according to the church, Caravaggio had painted her as if she was just like anyone else.
Climbing up the list, on number 4, we have the most eminent Thomas Erskine's painting, The Gross Clinic. He spent most of his life in scandals and controversies.
This painting is controversial for both the odd representation of the patient's figure, which is still not clear whether it is a male or a female, and the displeasing procedure shown. In addition to this drama is the blood and the dull depiction of surgery that had shocked the audience when it was first exhibited.
On number 3, we have Francisco Goya's The Nude Maja. This was first among his 2 painting series. The second was known as The Clothed Maja. The painting is controversial for exposing a naked woman.
In 1815, Spanish Inquisitions had rejected the painting, saying that it's obscene, and Goya had to paint again a clothed one. What adds to the controversy is that later in 1930, 2 sets of stamps depicting the nude Maja was privately produced, to which the Spanish postal authorities had approved, but the US government barred from entering it into the country and returned the mails bearing the stamps as it represented a naked woman.
Topping second on the list is Leonardo da Vinci's The Mona Lisa. This painting has never failed to captivate the countless generations with its mysteries and ongoing controversies. It still remains a suspense whether the speculations put on the Mona Lisa are real or whether it's just a simple, beautiful painting which it's supposed to be.
It began at first by arguing that the painting has been trimmed and the panel on both the sides of the painting has been removed, as earlier copies had depicted column on both the sides of the figure. But later it was proved to be genuine and not edited. And then comes the epic smile, which seems different to everyone who looks at it. Also the eyebrows and the eyelashes. It was strange that Mona Lisa didn't have any of it. And the list would just go on and on. If Vinci was alive today, he would be thoroughly amused by the way people interpreted his paintings.
But finally, coming to the top of our list is a very bold painting by Gustave Courbet named The Origin of the World. This realistic, graphical, erotic painting still has the power to shock and trigger censorship. Gustave loved to violate the public by his paintings, but he never dared to cross the line.
The Origin of World was made in the protest against the Academy, where students were trained to draw the statues with stereotyped and camouflaged bodies. Courbet hated this formula and said he could only paint what he saw, then started the painting's ride with controversies.
Wow, wasn't that an incredible countdown? We'll meet you soon in the next episode of Art Buzz. Until then, stay tuned to World Art Cafe.